Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Tabby in Noon. So here I'm on the website of the Noon. So what you're going to do is just simply select on any product that you want to buy using the Tabby. So let's say for example, I have already added mine on my cart. So I'm just going to click on this cart right here. And I have here the product, which is a Sony PlayStation. So in this one, we have Tabby and Tamara. So since we're going to be using Tabby, so we just have to select on this one at the checkout. So here you can also click on this view available offers so you can save more. So here you can get cash back, 100 cash back, and this one. So let's say for example we want to apply this one. So then you have this one. So the shipping fee is free. So for payment, you just have to select Tabby. So here you can view the easy monthly installment. So you can split it. And the good thing about this one is it doesn't have interest and no late fees. So here is how it works. So choose Tabby at checkout to select payment plan, then enter your information and add your debit or credit card. So your first payment is taken when the order is made, and they will send you a reminder when your next payment is due. So that's how Tabby works. So you just have to take note on that, and you just have to select this one and tap on checkout. From there, just put all your details like your card details or credit card details. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!